The Filipino adverb of manner, malakas, means loudly or strongly. Malakas. Malakas. Huwag kang sumabat ng malakas sa usapan. It means don't interrupt the conversation loudly. Huwag means don't. Sumabat is like to interrupt or to be a part of. And then malakas is strong. And then an usapan is a conversation. Huwag kang sumabat ng malakas sa usapan. Tumugtog ang banda ng malakas sa konsyerto. The band played loudly at the concert. Tumugtog is like played. Banda is a band. And then malakas is strong. And a konsyerto is a concert. Tumugtog ang banda ng malakas sa konsyerto. Malakas siyang tumalon sa kalsada. It means he or she jumped strongly on the road. Malakas means strong, strongly. Siya is he or she is gender neutral, and then tumalon, talon means to jump. And then a kalsada is a road. Malakas siyang tumalon sa kalsada. Nagtalumpati siya ng malakas. He or she delivered the speech loudly. At talumpati is a speech. So nagtalumpati, past tense. And then siya is he or she gender neutral. And then malakas is strong. So nagtalumpati siya ng malakas. Once more, when we say malakas, it means loudly or strong. Malakas. Malakas.